Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing another video. So, Kate's phone recently stopped working as its intended way, and this battery is super hot. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're just going to take it apart here. So, I'm going to show you. So, I'm going to take out the battery. Anyways, I'm just going to be taking, So, yeah, I'm going to take the phone apart. So, yeah. And also these screws are really tiny, so I suggest you keep, so I recommend you keep track of the screws. So if you guys don't know, there's this tutorial that tells you that you need to put it in the oven. So oh yeah, it's in frame. So if you guys do not know, I'm recording on Kate's phone she got from AT&T. So if you guys do not know, this is her main phone that we're working on. And, so if you guys do not know, her main phone is the one that's recording this. That's why the quality might not be as good as you are anticipating it. So if you guys are wondering why I'm doing this so quick, that's because I already had this thing open. Am I moving the screw the wrong way? Sorry about that, guys. I just was hearing a... And plus, since this is Kate's new phone, I don't have time to download any fancy apps, so I can make a very long video. And now, at this point, we can just take off this part here. Sorry about that, guys. I got scratched by the cat today. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to disconnect the camera. It's actually really easy. And now if I can... Oh, yep, so the camera just came out. So this is a part that's going in. Oh yeah, Kate's. So yeah, 10-minute at 180. There's this. Taking off this heat shield. Oh, look, there's like a blue cover for it. This to the side. We have that chip exposed. Alright, so, props to this guy called Dennis Albram for giving us the info we need. So I'm just going to put in yeah, 10-minute at 180 degrees. So yeah, time to go take this to Kate. Hey Kate. Yeah. So here I got the board.
Okay, so what do you want? How long do we eat it for?
So we put it at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So yeah, I don't really think this is gonna really work, but showing by the comments on the video, as you can tell, here's a thing. And so
180.
I don't think there is.
180.
Wait, there's no 180.
Yes, there is, honey.
I'm gonna.
180's got to be like there.
All right, now I just have
Put
to.
it in 10 minutes.
Yep.
Time it for 10 minutes.
All right, so now it's time to end this video. So if you
Set
guys.
timer for 10 minutes.
All right.